All right, folks, welcome to the video. Anthony Special here with Hawkeye Traders and Big Energy Profits. We're going to cover how I use the Hawkeye tools very specifically to confirm the trades that we take at Big Energy Profits. So what you're seeing in front of you is a daily chart of light sweet crude oil futures. Now, inside of Big Energy Profits, we do stocks and we do futures and we look at options and things of that nature as well. So it's not just a futures program, but we do anything energy related. All right, if we can find an opportunity in the energy market, doesn't matter if it's a stock, it doesn't matter if it's an ETF, it doesn't matter if it's the futures market itself. We attack it from all angles, and we've recently attacked crude oil. All right, very specifically, we had a very aggressive volume confirmed close below support. And that's what triggered us to take this trade. Now, we've already started taking profits, all right? So I'm going to share this with you just so that you can understand that you can use this Hawkeye technology on basically any asset on any time frame. So as you can see here, I have a very clear defined channel that is running higher, all right? You can see we ran out of steam and then we created a channel that was falling lower. Now, what do you think got us into the trade? Well, of course, a strong volume confirmed break of that lower channel structure. What do you think happened here? We pushed through, broke support, and this was a very good confirmation to say, hey, there's a pretty good chance that the break of this lower channel structure or lower channel support is going to lead potentially to a push lower. Now, due to the Big Energy Profits family, I'm not going to disclose any details about where we took profit, where we're going to potentially take more profit. I'm just sharing this with you very specifically so that you can see how I utilize these volume components in order to take trades. Well, notice this nice full-bodied candle, right? A nice strong volume, okay? Broke that support level, and we were successful in taking a nice push to the downside, capturing several hundred ticks inside of just 18 hours, all right? Now, we have further downside targets. Again, I'm not going to share them with you just in respect to the Big Energy Profits family. If you want to learn about Big Energy Profits, I'll put a link inside the blog post for you. But, I'm really just focusing on helping you guys from a Hawkeye standpoint, understanding that when I get a solid close like this, with nice strong presence of volume, and a bar that closes almost at the bottom of its low, significantly below that support level, that's what gives me a confirmation. Guys, I've been using this technique for years, all right? Probably over a decade at this point. And if you just do it consistently with discipline and make sure that volume is present, make sure that price action is meaningful, I can assure you it is game changing, all right? So what I'd like to do is dive deeper into this topic, all right? Specifically about the technicals, specifically about the Hawkeye volume. I'm going to put a link below this video, all right? I'd like you to join me inside a training webinar. I want to teach this to you so you can apply it to any asset that you desire to trade. Additionally, I'm going to put a link below if you'd like to learn more about Big Energy Profits. This is where I have a model portfolio and walk you through how I've approached this market from a swing trading perspective for many, many years, right? Including energy sector stocks and options. So there's nobody left out depending on the type of trading you desire to do. So whichever one of those or both interest you, I'd like you to click the link below, join those training webinars, dive into that content. If you're interested in both the indicators and access to Big Energy Profits, I'm going to also put a phone number below this video. I'd like you to call my concierge team, all right? They're going to package up a deal that you can't resist to have access to both programs, all right, guys? So don't hesitate. Head below this video, learn more about both programs, reach out to us, ask your questions, let us help you find what works best for you, all right? And we will take you through that process, by the hand, walk you through what needs to be done, get the indicators populated up on your computer, help you understand how to use them, give you access to the Hawkeye Volume Mastery Series, and if you desire to trade alongside me in the energy sector, I will also get you access to that as well. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. God bless. Have a beautiful day.